When you're a small company, especially if you get into enterprise, there's a bunch of stuff that you have to do, whether you like it or not. There's things you have to think about, like support, rollout, integration, management, training. There's a plethora of things that you have to have. So you have to find partners to help you provide that kind of level of scale. Because of the Microsoft Partner Network, we've actually started to find some really brilliant partners to help do some of the bigger type implementations.
We've always believed in a cloud-based offering. So SharpCloud is data-driven storytelling. For most enterprise workers, they get stuck sometimes between spreadsheets and slide decks because they've got the data in a spreadsheet, but the slide deck is linear and it's really just pictures.
And SharpCloud kind of lives, I think, very nicely in the middle of those two worlds where you need some data, you're trying to communicate something to somebody and you don't want to have to go through the process of redrawing all the visuals all the time.
So SharpCloud allows you the flexibility to always be moving, talking, collaborating, co-creating around quite complex topics.
Like you do in a conversation.
I actually met Rusty on my first day at university, so this would be September 1989. When we were at university, we would invent board games, and Rusty's quite technical and he would understand, the technical aspects. I would always be thinking more, well, would people even play the game? Is it commercial? How would they even engage with this game?
Between the two of us, I think we make quite a complementary pair. If we were one person, we'd be a very well-rounded individual.
So I guess we always knew at some stage there might be something we could do together which is much broader.
I always felt that he had a vision to do something that was going to be exciting, and I wanted to be tied to that vision.
So being a Microsoft partner has always meant credibility to SharpCloud. When you're a small company, one of the things you may sometimes hear from enterprise companies is, come back if you're still around in a year. But being on the Microsoft cloud gives you instant credibility because you're able to scale at a rate that is very unusual. This has been very powerful for us. Recently, we met with another Microsoft partner called T-Systems Multimedia Solutions. These guys have been brilliant at packaging services and cloud around SharpCloud and promoting that through to their enterprise customers, and that has been incredible for us.
If you're a startup and you want to do something with enterprise, I would take looking at Azure very seriously. When you go out and start talking to customers, they're going to be concerned about security, they're concerned about data location, governance. But once they understood it was a Microsoft platform, it's like, oh yeah, tick, move forwards.
We're now a Silver Cloud partner with Microsoft. And Silver Cloud Partner is a very interesting program for us at this stage because this now allows us to actually resell Azure. So the SharpCloud team today is 13 people here in London and 4 people in total in Houston. We do have a lot of fun together as a team.
After a big customer event, we will always go out. We generally try and take our customers with us as well.
I mean, it's a lot of fun being around everybody.
The reason I get up in the morning and what makes me so excited about SharpCloud is when you see somebody who's invested time using the product and they've built something that you never imagined was possible. That's actually why I do what I do. Love it.